currently at Academy and I came up across this Schwinn electric bike. It's a small medium for $7.99, and although this is usually like a vapor, I really think this is actually a taper head tube, cheap fork, quick release. It's a one by, and I have no idea about the specs about this one, but it caught my attention. It's kind of like a cruiser, but I'm pretty sure this can be modified. It has a rear hub, drivetrain. It's not a mid drive. It's kind of cool. And then there's this other one, GoTrax. This one is not a taper at all, and it has a rear drive as well. It has beefier tires, disc front and rear, as well as this one has front and rear as well. Then we have another one over here. It's just like the blue one. That's a large, extra large, and this is a Jira, but also a rear hub. All of them are really similar, not taper. This one does look like it's taper for real. Kind of good selection over here. Check them out. $7.99 for this one. They have them in red and gray. I will go for this. A custom CE bike. Pretty cool. Let's ride.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up.